Well, this is a set of 3 mugs that we're putting together as a small collection, selling as a single lot. They're made by Queen's Porcelain China from their very well recognised and collectible range called Hooker's Fruit, made in collaboration with the Royal Horticultural Society. 2 different sort of era of production or different sales channels represented in the China marks. These are the first 2. Fine bone china, Queen's, obviously a Queen's piece made with RHS marks there, the Royal Horticultural Society, Hooker's Fruit, fine bone china. And then here is the other one. Now these 2 are both on that same mark, as you can see, although different designs in the Hooker's Fruit range, pears and apples. The reverse of these is all the same design but in different size blockworks, whereas this one is the Royal Horticultural Society Hooker's Fruit made by Queen's. So coming off the same production line, but this one was made specifically for sale by the RHS in its gift shop, whereas these 2 were made for sale via the normal Queen's bone china retail outlets, all with this lovely little bit of decoration around the inner walls. Porcelain translucent china. You've seen the rear there with the apple blossom and the cut fruits in different size transfer prints. There is some variation even between those 2, as you can see, in the colour that's been applied to them. And the front decorations, although those 2 are the same, similar blockworks, they're not identical and they're not applied in the same location on the cup, so they're all individual but from the Hooker's Fruit range. Not entirely certain, because we haven't had the mugs before, how many variations on the pattern they made, whether it was just these 2 in front of you or whether there were multiple different varieties or versions of the china mug. They're 3 1/8 inch rim diameters with a slight flaring on the rim, as you can see, and 3.5 inches tall. Nice, very large drawn handles, as you can see, making them very comfortable for use. Medium-sized coffee mugs in excellent condition, very nice and bright, and all 3 are going as a single job lot to a collector of Queen's Porcelain China Hooker's Fruit design. Thanks for watching.